Sitar Hospitals, enhancing life by redefining healthcare, Trichinopoli.
Hello, I'm Dr. Soumya. I'm a general surgeon and a breast surgeon. Today, I want to just talk to you about breast cancer, mainly because it is people are more aware of it, and also because the numbers are increasing even in our country. So, why are the numbers increasing? So, for that, I would like to give you a small background. Breast cancer is slightly seen more in people who have early menarche, that is, who have got their periods really early and who have been menstruating for more than 55 years or 52 or 55 years, and people who do not have children, who have not breastfed, or who have had their first child maybe after 30 years of age, and also people who have had relatives, more than one or two, who have had breast cancer or other cancers. So this is because breast cancer is hormone dependent, that is estrogen dependent, and for that these group of people have to be more aware and they should know what they should do to prevent cancer. So the only way to protect ourselves from breast cancer is to detect it really early and treat it off so that it does not kill us. So how do we detect breast cancer very early? There are only three things mainly to be done. First is self breast examination. Okay, so there are standard procedures how we can examine our own breasts. So that actually, if you go on the net, there are many videos which show you how to examine your own breasts. Second is getting a clinical examination from a doctor once in a year. Just like you go for your master health checkups, make sure that once in a year a doctor examines your breasts. And the third way is to get screening mammogram done. What they do is they take x-rays of the breast, and that can detect cancers which we may not be able to feel also. So if we can do at least these three things, we will be able to detect cancer at a very early stage. So I spoke to about self breast examination. So what is self breast examination and what are we going to look for in self breast examination? So we want to look for, one, are lumps, that is any small lump which can be present in your breast or in your armpits. It is also called axilla. So when you examine your breast once a month, these small changes you will be able to recognize very early. So you can see a lump even if it is around 2 centimeters. So that is totally curable, that kind of a cancer. Second, look for any changes in the nipple and the black area. We call that as the areola. So changes in the nipple areola region. That is, see if there is any ulcer, see if there is any blood or any kind of discharge coming from the nipple. And also see how the skin of the breast is. Sometimes what happens, the tumor or the lump may not be very obvious from outside, but it will pull the skin inside or give some changes to the skin. So these kind of small changes, if we see at an early stage itself, we'll be able to detect cancer very early. Okay, so please know that self breast examination and a clinical examination and mammogram, these are the way to detect cancer early. And if you detect anything, please make sure that you go to a doctor at least once just to get it checked. Most of the time what ladies do is they just talk among themselves, and then in the kitchen itself the whole treatment is done. And the point of whole video is to tell you that just get yourself examined. Then what do we do once you come to us? We will first take a mammogram or maybe get an ultrasound also done, and sometimes in very rare cases we'll get a MRI of the breast done. After that we'll get a small needle test of the tumor. Okay, so this will tell us whether we have cancer or it's a normal kind of a tumor. The next thing that is done in breast cancer is treatment. Now, treatment involves all three modalities, that is surgery, chemotherapy and radiotherapy. For most cancer, all three is involved because it will totally cure all the even small cells in the circulating in the body. And being a surgeon, I would like to emphasize that there have been so many studies done, and we know that in previous times the whole breast region and axillary, that is armpits, lymph nodes were removed in a very morbid way. That is, there was a lot of disfigurement. But now we have come to a stage where a small lump, if we detect it in a very early stage, we can just remove just the lump and the lymph nodes in the armpit and conserve the breast. So we have moved from mastectomy, that is removing the whole breast tissue, towards breast conservation surgery, where we remove only the lump and the lymph nodes. So the quality of life after this is really maintained. So these are the this is in very short about breast cancer, how it is detected and the present modalities of treatment. Thank you.
பொதுநலன் கருதி வெளியிடுவோர் சிதார் மருத்துவமனை, கல்லீரல் மற்றும் சிறுநீரக மாற்று அறுவை சிகிச்சை மையம், திருச்சிராப்பள்ளி.